Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to invite players to your clan in Clash Royale. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompt to download or install the application. Once you're done, it's going to take you right into the game itself, where you're going to be required to pass to the first phase of the tournament. After passing that phase of the tournament, it's going to take you right into this window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now that's going to happen in today's step, which is how to invite players to your clan in Clash Royale. So from this home screen, how can you or where can you locate your clan? At the top corner of your screen, where you have this top left corner where you have your name, my name is Amy, you see no clan, so go ahead and click on your name. So I do not have a clan, so if I have a clan that I have created already, here where you have the no clan option from this window, you're going to see your clan. So go ahead and click on your clan, and once you click on your clan, it's going to open up your clan. Now, after opening up your clan, in your clan page, you're going to see an option that says invite just at the top corner of your clan page. So click invite. Once you tap on it, you're going to see an option for you to choose friends that are within your Clash Royale application or that are within the clan. So that within the application itself, not necessarily your clan. So once you choose a friend, you can invite your friend from the list that you're going to find there. If you do not want to invite a friend from the invite list, then you can add them by their player tag or by their username. All right, so just go ahead and open up your clan from here. Click on your clan, and after clicking on your clan, click on invite in your clan window on your clan page. Then you can choose to invite from your friend list that's going to be displayed, or you can add a user by their player tag or their username. That's pretty much how you can invite players to your clan. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.